When you think of a worm, what comes to mind? Probably something quietly sliding through dirt, not exactly the picture of a fearsome hunter. But surprisingly, a few worm species have evolved genuinely predatory, even aggressive behaviors. And today we're taking a closer look at where these new behaviors come from. This leads to a fascinating question. How does a complex behavior like aggression evolve? To tackle this, researchers compared two worm cousins, C. elegans, a peaceful grazer, and Pristionchus pacificus, a species with tooth-like structures that can bite and attack other worms. But how do you study behavior at this scale? That's where machine learning helps. After recording hundreds of hours of behavior, the team designed an algorithm to identify consistent movement and feeding patterns. What popped out? Six distinct behavioral states, including three clearly defined predatory ones: predatory search, predatory biting, and predatory feeding.
It was really exciting to see these three behavioral states emerge from the data. It not only showed us that aggression is real in P. pacificus, but also how it manifests through these three intuitive behavioral components: searching, biting, and feeding. An impressive set of novel behaviors given how similar its brain is to that of C. elegans.
These states gave the team a roadmap for probing the nervous system. What actually shifts the worm from calm to attack mode? The answer lies in neuromodulators, chemical messengers that tune how likely an animal is to perform certain actions. In P. pacificus, octopamine ramps up predatory aggression, while tyramine pushes the system the other way.
Seeing how octopamine turned them into serial predators while tyramine made them almost blind to the prey was striking. And in that moment, the push and pull mechanism really fell into place for me.
Using powerful genetic tools available in these model organisms, the researchers asked what had changed in the brain to allow this new behavior to evolve. The key difference turned out to be which neurons respond to octopamine. Those sensing circuits had been dramatically rewired, and when the team examined a larger predatory worm species, they found the same pattern. These signaling pathways had been repurposed for aggression. In contrast, grazing C. elegans uses the same molecules for entirely different functions. As the authors conclude, adaptations in noradrenergic circuits enabled the emergence of aggressive behavioral states. The larger message is striking. You don't need new neurons to evolve new behaviors. A shift in where chemical signals are received, a slight rebalancing of two neuromodulators, and a once peaceful grazer can turn into an effective predator.